Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make fudge with caramel treat. First, gather all your ingredients. You will need a specific caramel treat, 2 pounds of powdered sugar, and 1 cup of butter. Next, prepare a 9 by 13 inch pan by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides. This makes removal much easier later on. Having everything ready before you start ensures a smooth process. Now, in a large saucepan, melt the 1 cup of butter and your caramel treat over low heat. Stir constantly until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Once melted, gradually add the 2 pounds of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, stirring vigorously after each addition. Continue stirring until the entire mixture is thick, glossy, and free of any lumps. This step is key for a creamy texture. Once your fudge mixture is perfectly smooth, carefully pour it into the prepared 9 by 13 inch pan. Use a spatula to spread the fudge evenly, ensuring it has a consistent thickness across the entire pan. This helps with uniform setting and cutting. Now, place the pan in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, or until the fudge is completely firm. Patience here ensures a perfect, sliceable treat. After the fudge has thoroughly chilled and set, lift it from the pan using the parchment paper overhang. Place it on a cutting board and slice it into 1-inch squares. This size is perfect for a bite-sized indulgence. Store any uneaten fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week, or in the refrigerator for longer freshness. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade caramel fudge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.